Good afternoon. Right, sorry about the wind, but we are going to fit a K&N air filter to a 2007 V6 Sprinter. Got my little trusty Parkside screwdriver with a T25 socket, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So here we go. I'm going to try and mount the camera somewhere. Hopefully that can see stuff. The screws don't come right out, so you don't have to worry about that. Right, that is it. I'll slightly pull it out. There's the old filter. It's not in bad shape because I only replaced it probably about 4 months ago. Hopefully. Put this one in. Comes already oiled. It's quite heavy, so you're not going to gain any power from being light, but you're supposed to get between 2 and 3 brake horsepower extra just out of this on the old V6. Wow. Quite a bit of weight difference. Let's pop that in. Lovely. Make sure everything goes in nicely. No. Right, let's undo this. Easier to push it, I suppose. I have got cold fingers and I've got broken ribs, so I am making a bit of mountain out of a molehill. Oh, come on. Alright, well, it came off, so it's got to go back on. Alright, there you go. And that is pretty much it. It is pretty much a really easy job to do. Job done. Well, don't forget to click and subscribe, give me a like, tell me how easy this really was. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, guys.